Hello, Xellux. This is Xellux Technologies class overview. So every of our student that goes through this particular class deal with Excel visuals. So the first one is project roadmap that we actually build in the class. So this is the data set here. We have the client onboarding to monitoring. Then the days at which each project is to be completed. You can see a client onboarding there is 3. We take 3 days. Data gathering it take 10 days. Development solution 20 days, and monitoring 7 days. So it's really cool. The student really enjoy themselves because this is a kind of advanced visuals from beginner to advanced. This one will take you to pro, from beginner to pro. This particular level, the class is really amazing. Students really enjoy themselves kind of building these amazing charts. Well, the most stubborn chart here is the satisfaction score, that do with the customer satisfaction score and the employee satisfaction score. That is the, if you look at it here, it's called the gauge chart in both customer satisfaction and employee satisfaction. Well, let's check it if it's actually dynamic. So this is not just a bamboozle. We actually dynamic. So look here, it's actually 45% here. So let's say our customer satisfaction actually drop by 10%. So I'll change this one to 3 and click enter. So I'll go back there and I'll check it. So look at it. It changed to 35%. So let's say our employee satisfaction score, it dropped by 20%. So I'll come to this place. I'll double click here, change to 5 here, and I'll click enter. So I will now move to this side. Then you can see it's now 50%. So it's actually dynamic. This is really amazing, but it's the most difficult aspect of all the charts we did today. Then here we have our sales by country. We have our trend there. We put on each flag to actually go with the Spain, France, Germany, like that. And we see the growth in terms of the one that is minus is kind of a red flag. Why the rest that is not negative is that color light green there. If that's maybe that. So let me scroll down. We have 2 amazing charts here. The first one is budget versus actual expenses. We created that chart. That chart is so marvelous, like very marvelous. These are budget versus actual here. We have our wages, then we have our actual. So we combine the chart together and we ensure that they align together. You can see the wages, the office. You can see the office space there, the 400. When you come here, you have the 450. You can see there is 450 there. Let's go to our marketing. So marketing is 305. When you come here, it's also 305. Wow, amazing. So the last one we actually did here into this class, we have a staff turnover waterfall. We created a waterfall here. So we have a total about 500 people actually working for this company, and the new hire is 120, layoff is minus 40. There are 45 people, departure is 248. So the total individuals in that particular company is just 327. So we create a waterfall how it moves. It's not just easily like that. We just need to apply the advanced chart. So we move from here and it drop down here. So at 120, we see our layoff, we see our departure there. So that's our class overview. It's really amazing. So you can see it. You can see all our chart. So that is Xellux technology for you. You get the value for your money. This class is actually comprehensive. So the students were amazed building this particular chart. So it's really good. It's really good. So thank you so much. You can go to our YouTube videos. There are a lot of free premium courses there. You can take it. You understand. So if you want to level up, so if you want to pay for our comprehensive class, we are actually available. So this is the Xellux technology class overview. This is a Nigerian class overview, not UK, no Ireland, no Canada, no US. This is specially for Nigeria. So the Nigerian students, I'll say kudos to all of you. Amazing class. I'll say God bless you wherever you are in Nigeria, in Lagos, in Paracut, in Abuja, in Delta, in Ebonyi State, in Anambra, in Ondo, in Ogun State, and the rest of the country. You understand? Say love you all. Thank you. Light out.